This is going to steal your heart away. She is absolutely beautiful. This is a 1944 Deluxe convertible. It did go through an older frame-off restoration, but that being said, you have no bubbling in the paint at all. All of your pans are nice. Your frame is nice. You can check all of those boxes. All the chrome has been redone, and it's all clean. There's no pitting. There's no issues at all. It is gorgeous. Now, the flathead and the transmission have been rebuilt. They just purr, just hit the key, and she'll just cruise down the road for you. Now, I want you to take close attention on the dash. You'll see what looks like the stock radio. But it is now an AM/FM with the Bluetooth. That is very cool. It's hard to find for these to get that right look, and it is there for you. The car looks as stock as it can possibly be. The vacuum top, all the rams are done. It's all new. It works like a champ. There's nothing for you to do except for enjoy this beautiful car. We're going to talk about putting up the top. You must remove the boot completely. These are just snaps. You push in the button. These just pull out. Make sure the top is fully off before trying to put the top up. We're going to start the top process, but notice that we have completely removed the boot from the top. To operate the top, it's very easy. This is just a push and pull, and that'll put the top either up or down. we're going to go over the starting sequence for the 44. First, you have to take the key and watch this right here. And we turn the key, it slides out. Now it's unlocked. So now you push this to on, just like that. And on this other side, you'll see a starter button. Let me get the clutch. And all you do is you press it. Just like that. We're going to go on the sequence of how to turn off your 44. Notice this is out and this is on run. Bring it all the way down and simply just turn the key. Once that's fully in, all your power is turned up. Isn't she absolutely beautiful? It is becoming very difficult to find a car that hasn't been highly modified. She has the classic look, she has the right interior, all your chrome is beautiful, you have the big whites. It is a gorgeous car and it's drivable. Your flathead and the transmission have been rebuilt. All of your chrome is in excellent condition and you got the front disc brakes. Even the tank has been upgraded to a poly tank, but none of that pulls away from the look of the vehicle. It still has a classic feel, has a classic look. It's everything that you are looking for.